Cashfly, Open Racing Hyena, Ian's bet now in the early part. It's now Ian's bet followed by Hyena, 2 lengths back to Bright Olympian, then followed by the top favorite Sliotar, next on line Security Choice, while Jade Avenue is running in the tail of the fielder as they settle. Ian's bet with Alan Cunningham lead, followed by Hyena in second. 6 lengths in behind them now is Lyotard, then followed by Bright Olympian. Long way back Security Choice and Jade Avenue. And down the half mile they travel. Ian's bet by half flying Hyena now from the outside. Is now Hyena leads the pack by line, followed by Ian's bet. Lyotard now coming closer into down in 40s Bright Olympian, and as they hit the last 300, Hyena leads by some 2. Here comes Lyotard now from the outside, down to the finish. Hyena by only half a length. Lyotard now from the outside. Hyena and Lyotard fighting it out for the lead. Hyena, Lyotard, Hyena. It's now Lyotard, Hyena. Third, Bright Olympian, Ian's bet, Jade Avenue, and Security Choice.